Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to enter your Showmax code to log in and start streaming your favorite content. Follow these simple instructions and you'll be all set in no time. Step 1. Go to the Showmax login page. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the Showmax login page. You can do this by typing www.showmax.com into your address bar. Step 2. Click on Enter Code. Once you are on the Showmax homepage, look for the Enter Code option. This is usually located in the Login section. Click on this option to proceed. Step 3. Get your Showmax code. You should now see a screen asking for your unique Showmax code. If you have received the code through email, SMS, or another device, find that code and keep it handy. Step 4. Enter your Showmax code. Now, carefully enter the code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no typos, as even a small mistake could prevent you from logging in successfully. Step 5. Click Submit. After entering your code, click the Submit button. Showmax will verify your code, and if everything is correct, you'll be logged in. Step 6. Start watching. Once logged in, you can now start enjoying your favorite shows and movies on Showmax. Browse through the content, select what you want to watch, and enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.